2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427 arrives as a thrilling return to one of the most legendary nameplates in American automotive history. For decades, the Impala has been an icon of muscle, luxury, and power, and the SS 427 badge carries an extra weight of heritage. This isn't just another sedan. It's a statement of performance, design, and innovation that blends modern technology with raw muscle car spirit. In a market where competitors often chase electric minimalism or uninspiring luxury, the 2026 Impala SS 427 stands apart by delivering excitement, nostalgia, and cutting-edge features in one bold package. It's not just about speed, it's about presence, personality, and pride of ownership, making it a dream machine for both enthusiasts and everyday drivers who want more than just transportation. From the very first glance, the exterior of the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427 commands attention. Chevrolet has sculpted the body with sleek yet muscular proportions, combining smooth curves with sharp character lines that evoke both elegance and aggression. The car is longer and wider than many of its rivals, giving it a commanding stance on the road. Aerodynamics have been improved with a low-slung front fascia, sculpted hood vents, and an integrated rear spoiler that not only enhances styling, but also improves downforce. The 20 and 21-inch alloy wheels, available in multiple finishes, add to the aggressive posture, while Brembo brake calipers peek from behind for a motorsport-inspired look. LED matrix headlights with signature DRL patterns give the Impala SS 427 a futuristic face, while the rear end is defined by quad exhaust outlets and sculpted LED taillights. Color options are extensive, ranging from classic black, silver, and white to bold choices like deep metallic red, electric blue, and a special heritage-inspired orange. Premium touches such as chrome accents, blacked-out trim options, and carbon fiber inserts elevate the exterior to modern luxury standards while keeping the car's muscle identity intact. Step inside, and the interior of the 2026 Impala SS 427 immediately tells a story of comfort fused with performance DNA. The cabin is designed to be both luxurious and driver-focused, with leather-appointed sports seats offering excellent bolstering for spirited driving, yet maintaining long-distance comfort. Available in multiple color themes, from jet black with red stitching to a two-tone cream and charcoal, the seating and trim options allow customization to personal tastes. Material quality is a highlight, with real aluminum, carbon fiber, and soft-touch leather replacing plastics where it matters most. Space is generous, ensuring both front and rear passengers enjoy a premium ride. The dashboard houses a massive curved OLED infotainment display, paired with a fully digital driver's cluster offering customizable views such as performance metrics, navigation, and even G-force readings. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in 5G hotspot for ultimate connectivity. Audiophiles will appreciate the available Bose & Bang and Olufsen sound systems, turning the cabin into a concert hall on wheels. Comfort features such as dual-zone climate control, heated and ventilated seats, wireless charging, and panoramic sunroof make the interior not just sporty, but genuinely luxurious. Where the 2026 Impala SS 427 truly earns its stripes is under the hood. Staying true to its muscle heritage, Chevrolet equips this beast with a 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, delivering a staggering 427 horsepower and up to 450 lb-ft of torque. For purists, this represents the continuation of the Impala's raw performance legacy, while an optional hybrid assist system is offered to improve fuel efficiency without sacrificing speed. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km/h is estimated at just 4.2 seconds, making it one of the quickest sedans in its class. Power is delivered through a refined 10-speed automatic transmission, with paddle shifters available for manual control. Handling has been upgraded with adaptive magnetic ride suspension, precise steering response, and rear-wheel drive as standard, with an all-wheel drive variant available for those who demand maximum grip. The Impala SS 427 offers a driving experience that blends old-school muscle car thrills with modern-day refinement, ensuring stability at high speeds, responsive cornering, and a soundtrack from the exhaust that will make enthusiasts smile every time they press the throttle. Fuel economy, while not its strongest point, has been improved compared to older V8 sedans, offering around 18 mpg combined for the naturally aspirated version and over 22 mpg for the hybrid assist model. Technology is another area where the 2026 Impala SS 427 shines. Chevrolet has packed it with the latest smart features, making it a futuristic sedan that appeals to a younger, tech-savvy audience. The infotainment system integrates voice control powered by AI, real-time performance data, and over-the-air software updates. Drivers can control vehicle settings remotely via the Chevrolet app, including starting the engine, adjusting climate control, and even checking security alerts. Advanced driver assistance systems are standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, and a 360-degree camera system. A head-up display projects essential data on the windshield, while night vision technology helps in low-visibility driving. For enthusiasts, a performance mode selector allows customization of suspension stiffness, steering feedback, exhaust note, and throttle response, making the Impala SS 427 equally suitable for track days and city cruising. Safety has not been compromised in this muscle luxury blend. The 2026 Impala SS 427 is expected to achieve top crash test ratings in the USA and Europe, thanks to its advanced structure, multiple airbags, and reinforced body panels. Standard safety equipment includes front, side, and curtain airbags, electronic stability control, traction control, and high-performance ABS brakes. An advanced collision avoidance system uses radar and LiDAR sensors to predict and help prevent accidents. Emergency braking, pedestrian detection, and rear cross-traffic alerts further enhance driver confidence. For highway driving, Chevrolet's semi-autonomous Super Cruise system allows hands-free driving on mapped routes, a feature that makes the Impala both futuristic and practical for long journeys. Chevrolet offers the 2026 Impala SS 427 in multiple trims to appeal to a wide range of buyers. The base SS trim includes the V8 engine, standard technology, and performance features. The SS Premium trim adds luxury upgrades such as leather upholstery, panoramic sunroof, and premium audio. The SS Performance Pack includes upgraded brakes, adaptive suspension, and a sport exhaust system. At the top, the SS 427 Elite Edition brings exclusive color schemes, carbon fiber trim, and enhanced interior finishes. Pricing is expected to start at around $55,000 in the US, with higher trims reaching $75,000. In Europe, due to taxes and import costs, prices may range from $65,000 to $85,000, while in the Middle East and Asia, the car is expected to be positioned as a luxury performance sedan with competitive pricing to rival German brands. When stacked against competitors like the Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat, Ford Mustang Mach-E GT, and BMW M5, the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427 has a unique edge. While the Charger boasts raw horsepower and the BMW M5 blends luxury with speed, the Impala SS 427 manages to combine heritage muscle identity, cutting-edge technology, and attainable pricing in one package. Unlike the Mustang Mach-E GT, which focuses solely on electrification, the Impala SS 427 keeps a visceral V8 alive while still offering hybrid technology, appealing to both purists and modern buyers. The pros of the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427 are its powerful V8 engine, aggressive design, luxurious interior, advanced technology, and competitive pricing. On the downside, fuel economy isn't as strong as some hybrid or EV rivals, and its larger size may not appeal to those seeking compact agility. Yet for most buyers, these cons are overshadowed by the performance, heritage, and presence the car delivers. This car is aimed at enthusiasts who value muscle car spirit, but also want modern refinement. It appeals to professionals who want a luxury sedan that makes a statement, families who desire comfort without compromising excitement, and younger audiences who appreciate advanced technology paired with performance. Global demand is expected to be strong, especially in the US and Middle East, where V8 power still has unmatched cultural appeal, while in Europe and Asia, its hybrid option makes it more practical for stricter regulations. In the end, the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427 isn't just a car, it's an experience. It honors the muscle car tradition while embracing the future with modern design, high-end technology, and advanced safety. It delivers speed, power, and style in a way few competitors can, making it not only one of the best sedans of today's market, but also a true legend reborn. For those seeking a blend of performance, prestige, and innovation, the Impala SS 427 stands tall as a masterpiece of Chevrolet engineering, ready to reclaim its throne among the world's most desirable cars.